Hello and welcome to Daily Coding Tips. Today's tip, HTML, Semantic HTML5 elements for accessibility and SEO. Modern web development often results in div soup, a tangled mess of nested divs that lack inherent meaning. This hurts accessibility for screen readers and search engine optimization, SEO, because it's difficult to understand the structure and purpose of content. HTML5 introduced semantic elements that clearly define the different parts of a web page. Instead of generic divs, use elements like header, nav, main, article, aside, and footer to structure your content. These elements add meaning that both browsers and assistive technologies can understand. Here's the after example using semantic elements, making the structure more readable and meaningful. Notice how much clearer the document outline becomes. Screen readers rely on semantic HTML to properly interpret and convey the structure of a web page to users with visual impairments. Using elements like nav and article allows screen readers to navigate the content more efficiently, providing a better user experience. For example, landmark roles are automatically assigned to semantic elements. Search engines use semantic HTML to understand the content and context of a web page. This can improve search rankings by making it easier for search engine crawlers to identify key sections like the main content, navigation, and footer. Improved SEO increases visibility. Use the article tag to represent a self-contained composition in a document, page, application, or site. Within an article, use header, footer, and section to further structure the content. Enclose the main navigation of your website within a nav element. This signals to browsers and screen readers that this section contains navigation links. If a page contains multiple navigation sections, identify them by using ARIA labeled by to associate each nav element with a descriptive heading. While semantic HTML covers many use cases, ARIA, accessible rich internet applications, attributes, can be used to enhance accessibility further. For example, use ARIA label or ARIA labeled by to provide more descriptive labels for elements where the semantic meaning isn't clear. Use the figure element to encapsulate self-contained content like images, illustrations, diagrams, code snippets, etc. And use the fig caption element to provide a caption for the figure. This creates a semantic relationship between the content and its description. Don't force semantic elements where they don't belong. Using article for every small section or nav for a single link defeats the purpose. Use semantic elements when they accurately describe the content's role and purpose. If no semantic element is appropriate, a div or span is fine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily coding tips and hit the like button if this was helpful.